I'll show you at the local host. I have PHP 8.48 installed, and I'm running MySQL 8, and I'm running Apache web server on the system. So what I've done is I'm using the same PHP codes that I've been using online, and I had to set the file permissions to www-data :data for both the user and the group, and then this came right up. So what I have it doing is, as well as I did from the online setup, is it's actually transferring the file from where under this code under the web server to my downloads directory over here. And the browser actually is doing a download, but it actually on the local system is doing a copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out if I can find node.js web server, install it, so I can do some client-side JavaScript where I can do that with JavaScript. And if I can, I don't have to install a full LAMP package, which is no one else would have to at that point. That would be the best case scenario. So if anyone out there knows the solution for that, for the node.js and JavaScript code to do that, I would love to hear from you. So for what's going on now is that when I click this icon like that, it shows the download, but it transfers the file. This one here, it's a special file. I'll show you what's in it. All it says is this: sudo star app dash star update. The stars are just placeholders because the script I wrote replaces the star with space. So what gets run in the terminal is sudo space apt-get -get space update, which is a valid command. All right. So now I'm going to show you that this is an actual edit launcher. If I go over here and I go here, you can see that this is actually running this command, this shell script, on my computer, right? So we'll exit that. So here we go. And there's the terminal. This is Genome Terminal. It pops it up. There's a special way of doing it. It's a hassle for most people to get this done. I've been using it for years a certain way, and I've got the title set sudo apt-get update. Well, I've got it set so every time you run, you see the command and run the execute, and then it tells you what it is. That way the person's not going to make a mistake, or shouldn't. Less likelihood that they're going to make a mistake. So I type in my sudo password, and there it is. Push enter and it closes. And I'm going to run, click it once, gpart is there, double click this one, type in my password, and it's going to load gparted. And I got a bunch of partitions on this computer, a bunch of them. It'll take a minute. So think of it this way. People go like, why are you doing this? Why are you using a web page to drive your computer? Okay. A web page can be made to look just like Ubuntu, Debian, Peppermint, Q4OS. It can be made to look like Watt OS. It can be made to look like Anti-X. It can be made to look like Windows. And you switch. You don't have to reinstall everything. You just switch from page to page to page. And as the community builds more of these pages, they become templates for the whole world. I'm hoping some people are kind of like, maybe this isn't such a crazy idea. So there you go, right? A template-based computer user interface that a 10-year-old child could build, because it's basically only HTML and CSS. And there's builders out there, builders that you could probably use this with, or to build these, right? I've got this vision that this is going to be a really cool thing. Now, does the Linux community want this? Well, no. The same people who made programming complex do not really want a super simple way of building user interfaces to control your computer in a safe way. Nothing, the internet, I'll show you the internet right now. I'll show you. Let's do this. Let's go to yahoo.com. I have no internet. It's down here. It's off. See it? Right down here? It's off. So, my question is this. Who wants to get on the train? Because I think this train is going to be one that's going to be traveling for a while, and maybe not so fast, but up for a while. And it was this kind of thing that when 8 people got together and formed a corporation that eventually got sold for $160 million in 9 years. Yeah, that was Elon Musk and PayPal. I'm not saying that this would be that big. I would just love to make $20,000 in that 10 years, personally. Okay, enough of the joking. But if you have any suggestions, or if you think you got good comments, bad comments, feel free to leave a comment. And my email is robert@ofternet.com. That's OFFTERNET.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Enjoy life.